Hi everyone, today I would like to present before you on the topic IoT based energy aware smart home. So let's move to contents. So these are the 9 topics we will be discussing in this presentation. Let's move to abstract. So guys, you will be familiar with the word IoT, right? Internet of Things, where the physical devices around the world are connected to internet for collecting and sharing data. IoT is an emerging technology, as we all know, and the concept is mature, leading towards the innovation of applications like smart homes, smart transportation, etc. Also, the dramatic increase of energy consumption accelerates the demand and value of energy. This leads to the idea of implementing smart home applications focusing on energy efficiency in residential buildings. So, we propose a smart home control system using a coordinated basic networking COSNET. The working of proposed system is threefold: smart interference control system, smart management control system, and smart energy control system. And this threefold system is evaluated using simulation. Finally, next is IoT based control of smart home. IoT is used in smart home for the uses like switching off lights to security system, heating control system, smart device control, and so on. Smart homes are making their focus to decrease the energy demand through IoT. As I have already discussed, the control is based on COSNET to nullify the interference occurring between devices. Next is smart home services. The electrical appliances in a smart home can be classified into electrical based loads and power based loads. Coming to power based loads, it can be classified into shiftable loads and weather based loads. So, appliances like washing machine, refrigerator, air conditioners are the most power consuming appliances. So, more effort is placed on that area. Refrigerators loads varies with 0 to 0.37 kilowatt, and for washing machine it is 0.19 to 2.97 kilowatt. For air conditioner, the power variation is 0.75 to 2.35 kilowatt. Washing machine is a shiftable load and air conditioner is a weather-based load, which changes according to the weather. Next is smart home scheduling mechanism. This is done in smart home for more efficient energy use. It is mainly done in household appliances. It is classified into static scheduling and runtime scheduling. Static scheduling was introduced at the aim of minimizing total cost of electricity considering the prior data. And coming to runtime scheduling, the main focus is to meet power demand at a minimum cost. This is the proposed framework overview. That is the three-pole system we have discussed. Now I will give an overview about this. First one is Smart Interference Control System, which controls the interference caused due to IEEE 802.11x based wireless local area network and sensor network. Second one is Smart Energy Control System, which aims to optimize the energy consumption of household appliances by controlling the unnecessary energy demands. And the last one is Smart Management Control System, which controls the operating time of the electronic appliances. So this is the proposed framework overview. So guys, this is the IoT based smart home model. Here we can see a blue colored box. This blue colored box represents each room in a smart home. In that, various electrical appliances like fan, light, air conditioners, etc. are connected to a Zigbee module or Zigbee coordinator, which are placed in the top right corner of that room. This Zigbee is simply a wireless communication network which helps to secure data by reducing interference, unlike Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Each room has one Zigbee module or coordinator which carries information about the appliances, and it transfers this information as wireless signals to the computer. So from there user can access it. Here we can also see natural light entering into the room. Though that's why I say energy. Guys, now we are going to discuss detailed about three-pole system. The first one is Smart Interference Control System. So, regardless of the purpose, smart home application mainly depend on WSN, that is Wireless Sensor Network. Among the multiple technologies we use, Wi-Fi has a more power consumption compared to Zigbee and Bluetooth. In fact, the technologies operate on the same ISM band. Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Bluetooth cause network interference in the WS, which leads to a massive data loss. So, the proposed interference system divides wireless channels and Wi-Fi sensors based on multi-attribute decision making. So, to ensure resilience in identifying and assigning less interfered channels dynamically, it is proposed in SICS. So, accordingly, they are placed in each room and kitchen in order to minimize the packet loss due to interference. The second one is Smart Energy Control System, simply SECS, which is implemented to operate in a semi-automated manner. That is, the user turns on a device, the time is recorded in the management station. When he leaves, all the active appliances are turned off and the time of usage is updated. We have said that a sensor is placed in each room, so each sensor is assigned a unique identification number, which is to distinguish the appliances from each other. It also promotes energy saving by using natural light. So this is Smart Energy Control System. So the last one is Smart Management Control System, simply SMCS. This acts as a fundamental unit or the brain of the smart home, as it offers many uses like logical decision for an effective energy consumption, scheduled events, stores information in a database, etc. And in fact, the SMCS information flow is bidirectional. That is, it receives sensor inputs from the coordinators connected to the SMCS and send commands to control the appliances attached to the sensors. So, this is why this is called the brain of smart home, which is a fundamental unit which provides various facilities to the users. So, this is about the smart management control system. Next is the evaluation of the three-pole system, that is simulation. In simulation, two different scenarios are simulated here. The first one is scenario where a single user in a single room with various household appliances, and the second one is scenario where multiple users with multiple room and household appliances. These two scenarios are done in C programming that we are all familiar with. The users are constantly generating traffic with a packet size from 1000 to 1000 bytes, and also randomly we are switching off and on a household appliances. This is how simulation goes. So, next is the results of the simulation. Here we can see various electronic appliances. Here, the blue line represents proposed scheme and the red line represents pure WSN. In case of television, the rate of decrease of energy consumption is minimum in case of proposed scheme and maximum in case of sensor network. And the remaining two, the rate of decrease is minimum in case of proposed scheme. So, this is the results found from electronic appliances. Now we can see the results about the light source. First figure represents energy consumption of light source in various cases. Blue represents proposed scheme, orange represents relay-based WSN, and grey represents pure WSN. So there we can clearly see that energy consumption by using the proposed scheme is minimum. And in the second figure, the blue represents energy consumption of light without natural light, and orange represents the other. There we can see energy consumption is very low when we are using natural light. These are the results. So guys, let's summarize the results. So the energy consumption in the two cases are checked, and we found out that the energy consumption is significantly reduced, and also the inappropriate energy consumption is saved. Since the user is controlling the appliances by checking the daily and monthly records, we are able to maintain an optimum energy consumption level. Also, it reveals that as physical distance between sensors and Wi-Fi increases, interference level decreases. So these are the results. So guys, let's conclude our presentation. The proposed smart home system employed a coordinate mechanism to mitigate the effect of interference caused due to coexistence of WSN and Wi-Fi network. A light control system is developed to use natural light with light source. Then the simulation results reveal that the proposed Cosmos scheme is significantly less affected by interference. And finally, the proposed smart home architecture is tested for both energy consumption by devices and the interference caused due to coexistence of Wi-Fi and WSN networks. So guys, this is a reference. Here you can find more about the topic. Thank you.